Today, I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic, good-looking table in WordPress that automatically displays entries from an online form without touching any code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to collect data with WPForms and instantly show those results in a table anywhere on your site. This is great for things like event signups, employee lists, RSVP responses, or really any kind of user-generated info that you want to share in a clean, organized way. All right, let's get right into it. For this walkthrough, we're using WPForms, one of the most popular WordPress form plugins, and a really handy add-on called Views for WPForms. If you already have WPForms up and running, adding views opens up a whole new world, letting you take the info people submit and display it automatically live on your site. No copying and pasting needed. First, you'll need to install the Views for WPForms add-on. This is a separate plugin, but it works hand in hand with WPForms. Just head over to your WordPress dashboard, then to Plugins, Add New. Search for Views for WPForms and go ahead and click Install, then Activate. Installing plugins is quick, but if it's your first time with this particular one, don't worry, it's as easy as adding a new app to your phone. Next, we'll actually create a new view. In your dashboard, look for WPForms Views. You'll see it in the sidebar and click Add New, here where the magic starts. You'll be prompted to select the source form you want to use. Maybe it's a contact form, a sign-up sheet, a survey, whatever data you've already been collecting via WPForms. This step matters because it's telling Views exactly which entries you want to display. Once you select your form, make sure to choose Table as your view type. This tells the plugin to organize your entries in tidy rows and columns, super easy for your visitors to scan and understand. All right, now for the layout. You'll see a drag-and-drop interface pop up. Here you can add whichever form fields you want to display in your table. Maybe you just want names and email addresses, or maybe you need a whole bunch of columns for more complex data sets. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can drag fields into the table and preview how they'll look right away. And if you're nervous about getting it perfect on the first try, no worries. You can always come back and tweak your view later. Try to think about what's actually useful for your viewers. Sometimes less is more. For example, if you're displaying event registrations, maybe just the attendee's name, their RSVP status, and any special comments are plenty. Once everything looks good, go ahead and save your view. Now the last step, embedding it on your site. Views for WPForms makes this super simple. When you save, you'll get a shortcode, just a little snippet of text you can copy and paste. You can drop this shortcode into any page or post, right where you want the table to appear. Or if you're using the WordPress block editor, you can use the WPForms view block and select your table from a drop-down menu. After that, hit Update or Publish, and your real-time table will appear wherever you placed it. It's really that easy. If you ever want to update which fields show up or change how your table looks, just hop back into WPForms Views, make your changes, and your table will update instantly. No extra steps required. And that's it, you've just automated displaying your form submissions with a professional-looking table in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share how you're using WPForms, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, no-code tutorials. See you next time.